Ever feel like your money's trapped in a digital cage? You know, you're diligently tracking your expenses with PocketGuard, but now you need that cash for something important, maybe a down payment, a dream vacation, or to finally fix that leaky roof. But can you actually get your money out of PocketGuard? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Now, the short answer is not directly. PocketGuard isn't a bank account. It's a powerful budgeting and tracking tool. Think of it as your financial GPS, helping you navigate your spending and saving habits. It doesn't hold your money, it simply helps you understand where it's going. So, how do you actually access your funds? Well, it all depends on how you're using PocketGuard. If you're using PocketGuard to track your existing bank accounts, your money remains in your bank accounts. PocketGuard simply pulls in transaction data to give you a clear picture of your spending. You can withdraw funds directly from your bank as usual. If you're using PocketGuard's roundup feature, this automatically rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. These investments are typically held in a brokerage account. You can withdraw your investments from the brokerage account according to their withdrawal policies. If you're using PocketGuard's bills feature to automate payments, your money is still in your bank account, but PocketGuard facilitates the transfer to your billers. You can always cancel or adjust automated payments within the app. The beauty of PocketGuard lies in its ability to help you become a more conscious spender. By understanding your spending patterns, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate your funds. Maybe you realize you can cut back on dining out and instead save for that down payment. Or perhaps you discovered that a small adjustment to your grocery budget can free up enough to finally book that dream vacation. So, while you can't directly withdraw money from PocketGuard, it empowers you to take control of your money. It provides the insights you need to make smart financial choices and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.